This is 2024 SkyBox Marvel Masterpieces XL 2-box random parallel number 16. I'm going to take you guys over here. We've got all the parallels, we've got all the names, and we've got the die. Let's see if I can count this time. 10. There we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There's 10. There's 10. Copy this over. Again, 10 times on the die, 10 times on the names. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, I'll count to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's a 10. Oh, there's a 10. Thank you very much. That was not even Elvis. I realized if I'm trying to do a Elvis voice, there's a lot more oomph required, a lot of energy. I'm going to put this in alphabetical order for ourselves and for the sorters. And we'll be good to go to see some cards. Get that printed, and there's alphabetical order. Nope, that's not what I meant to print. Is the fighter a 101? Oh, all sports, it's a sketch. So yeah, it's a 101 sketch with the artist signature on the back. What's cool is, it might be hard to see. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it. The case and the sleeve make it hard to see, but you can see like layers of paint that are applied to the card. It's pretty cool. Okay. We're good to go. I like to do this one box at a time because these cards are massive. Let's zoom out, get a little bit more real estate going here. You can see on the overhead the boxes are going over here on the top right side. I know that he's got the Silotape right there. Yeah, no, it kind of seems like once something works a little bit, they go too far in on it. And then if something is not explosive, they absolutely decimate it like they did with Acolyte. Acolyte really could have been something great, and they could have done a lot with that universe in the show, but because it wasn't an absolute home run from the beginning, it's dead. I think they should have just hired new writers for season 2. Alrighty. Good luck, everybody. These cards are, they're big. On the front, we got the What If cover with Storm. Who do we have on the base for What Ifs? Edram's getting all the base What Ifs. And for the normal base, Council Lure. Again, the Medusa. I'm going to try to do better with checking for which ones are level 5s, because the level 5 ones actually go for a pretty penny. And there's a gold What If for What If gold foil is going to Randy. With the, we like to call him the Skibbity Beast. Gold foils are numbered, so let's see what that number is. 682 out of 999. Off of the Beast in the gold What If foil. Enjoyed the Mandalorian. Mandalorian's fantastic. Book of Boba Fett I didn't like as much. Book of Boba Fett was, well, also the latest season of Mandalorian is the one that had that like really weird, like they were trying to show what's going on with the people that were basically being repositioned to work for like a greater purpose or whatever. And we had that like really weird arc with the shady character and then the guy that was really timid. We got a What If cover with Craven. Base. I love this one so much. I really, really like this one of Mysterio. It's so cool. Counselor with the base. Yeah, I really, really like this cover. It's one of my favorites that I've seen from this set. And then in the center, we have a lovely Star-Lord in the base gold foil. Base gold foil is going over to Nas. Boba was cool, like the Mando the most. Yeah, I mean, I still did, like, realistically, I really did like Book of Boba Fett. I liked it a lot. But I'm trying to remember which one was the... We got 1198 out of 1999 on the gold foil here. I'm trying to remember which one was the one that had, like, the weird side story with the... where they were running around. Don't usually like printing plates, but this would be kind of cool. I want to see... Brown Dog's seen a couple printing plates. I haven't seen one yet, so I hope we can get you one. Both so I could see one and so that you get one. Oh, we get a little bit of deja vu, except this one's on the What If base. In the back, we got Multiple Man in the base. And then in the center... Oh, yeah, these are so cool. Fing Fang Foom versus Iron Man. This is what the battle spectrums look like for Nas getting the battle spectrum. The pack would be heavier. I heard the pack is actually a little bit lighter because the printing plates, if you think about it, they're so thin. They're just as thin for this product. God, the battle spectrums are always so cool. They have the textured foil on them. You can kind of see it, like especially around the Iron Man here. The raised textured foil. It's just so cool. No, I like these a lot. I'm right there with you, Sickmaid. Like, there's oversized Pokemon cards, and I've never been one to collect those, but I'm like, these are really, really cool. We got a What If cover, a Loki on the base. Love the Mighty Thor, or yeah, Mighty Thor Jane Foster in the base in the back here for Counselor on the base. And in the center, we've got Daredevil on the base gold foil for Nas. And if you're wondering why I'm always checking the back right away on the base cards and the foil cards, any of the base or any of the What If or base cards that are above 86 are considered level 5s, and they're a lot harder to hit, and usually they go for a pretty penny. We got 13 or dyslexia kicking in. Holy cow! 316 out of 999 on the base gold foil going out to Nas on the Daredevil. Very, very cool. Everyone hated the oversized Bowmans. Doctor Strange on the What If cover. We got a base of the Wasp taking out Ultron there. And then in the center, we've got a gold foil What If cover going to Randy. Love to see the slabs PSA. Oh, yeah, I'm very curious too. They make them and they're huge. See, also the cool thing, that's 228 out of 1499. The thing I always say, so these top loaders that we got for you guys when we're doing this stuff, when you get it, you really can just off of what we give you, just put some command strips, and then it just like, you know, just put it somewhere. And you just have a night, like, it's like art. It's like a comic book almost. 5x7 cards. You know, they're a little bit smaller than if you had it up next to it. Like a comic book would be about that tall, but still, like it's cool to display and with these top loaders, it makes it even easier. Yeah. Which, also, after this first box, I'm going to have to do some catching up on sleeving, because I forgot we also got sleeves for the other cards here. Alright, we got Captain Universe on the cover there, and a What If. There's Frankenstein's monster in the base. And I think we have a hollow... Oh, we've got a numbered holofoil. Who ended up with a holofoil spot? Waylon. You're about... These are super, super rare. You got Thor, but not just a Thor in a holofoil. It's the pixelated one numbered to 99. The normal holofoils aren't numbered, but when you have the pixels on them, they are numbered. So this is to 99. You got 42 out of 99 on the pixel holofoil of Thor. It's just like, yeah, look how vibrant. So vibrant. I collect Harley comics, and then I've been collecting Silk comics. Very, very cool. Again, 42 out of 99 on that holofoil. Congrats to Waylon on the hit right there. Oh, Jesus. Counselor, right away. He got the numbers. He's crunching them. No, I really, really, really do want one. That's like at the top of my list of wanting that. Both, like, I want firsts for both of them. I'm still very new to collecting comics as a whole, so most of what I have right now are just ones that I like. First Harley is my dream book. Oh, so if you know, you know the Harleen cover? That's like my favorite Harley cover I've ever seen. Harleen. I have a trading card that is the cover of Harleen, and it's like numbered to 1,000. We've got a gold What If foil right on the top right there for Randy of Santana. In the back, Rocket Raccoon in the base. Looks like it's a level 3. And in the middle, oh, it's a canvas. Who's got the canvases? Edram. With Thor, do we have a Thor themed thing? We also got the Jane Foster earlier. These canvas cards, you can kind of tell from the camera. These are just giant cards printed on canvas. It is a giant canvas card. And these are pretty cool. He don't look that mad. He looks like he's posing for like a romance novel. Like a Fabio kind of thing. Oh, like, okay, so like Michael Jackson bad is what you meant. People could say, oh, that's bad, but then you say it's Michael Jackson bad. You go, oh. Got super into comics again about a year and a half ago. We got Gwen Stacy on the base. We got Skibidi Beast on the What If on the cover. And look at that Doctor Strange on the gold foil. It just looks right with the gold on his neck, on the gold on the rings. Very, very, very cool. Usually on take 2. Yeah, no, I'm not kidding when I say I'm usually pretty slow. But like today, instead of me getting you on take 2, it's been like take 5. Like that's where my brain's been at today mostly. 980 out of 1999 on the gold base, or the, yeah, gold base foil going out to Nas. Sick Maid looking for the Thor plate. Besides the Harleen cover, there was the DC, I think it was Spring Games or something like that, or Springtime. They had a spring line. It was like it was just a one shot, but there was an alt art with Harley on it that I got. That I love that cover so much. Mighty Thor. Oh yeah, it's just a Thor break. Truly is a Thor break. We got Luke Cage in the base on the back, and in the center. Do we just get? Is it usually 2 hollow foils out of a? I thought it's 1 hollow foil out of a box usually. Holy crap! You got Iron Man on the base hollow foil, holding him upside down right there. He's big chilling in the Mark 1. Wow, I'm just going all kinds of directions here. Holofoil again going to a Whale Inn. Thought it was 1 per box. I did too. So I guess just the numbered one was a rare hit. All right, this will be the last box of, or the last pack of box number 1. I'm gonna do some catching up on case or sleeving the cards I have over here to my left. We got a Noise X2. What if? With, I think that's Kitty Pryde. I'll have to check the back of the card. Jean Grey in the back in the base. And a gold base foil of Magic. Oh, yeah, I was right. It is Kitty Pryde on the What If. 821 out of 1999 on the Magic and the base gold foil. No, they're fun. They're really, really fun. I like this a lot. And then this one I know for a fact. We've got one. We have the rest of this case, and I think we have 2 more cases of this stuff. Like, it's really, really, really good stuff. I'm going to do some sleeving real quick, and then we will continue on. I forgot Brown Dog was sleeving in between each pack, and I'm gonna start doing that on box number 2. It's just I opened like 4 packs before I remembered that we have the we have sleeves now. Be dope if they have a What If of Venom possessed Deadpool. We did. There are some pretty cool Venom cards in this set. I will say that. There's some pretty rockin' Deadpool, or not Deadpool, Venom cards. This one is a gold foil. Now, if they had some, like, or if they had, like, the nullified covers, all the nullified versions of all the hero covers, like, those things are so cool. Have you played Marvel Snap, Sick Maid? And then with Silk, one of the coolest, I have a Ryan Gonzalez signed print of one of her covers. It's not the actual comic that's signed, but it's a printout of the comic, or of the cover, and then she signed it. And I'm very happy with that one. And then if you guys do want this graded, the grading team is taking these in. Yesterday, I think a handful of cards got submitted for grading. Appreciate you guys' patience as I catch up here on the sleeving. Now for box number 2. Good luck, everybody. You say you had the Batman Harley Quinn comic? No, it's, oh, I wish, dude, I wish. No, the Harleen comic cover. Like, there's a comic book, it's like it's a novel, essentially, the Harleen. We got Drax on the What If. In the back, red She-Hulk on the base. And in the center, we got a gold foil of Namor. Love that book. I was saying I have a trading card numbered to 1,000 of, it's the cover of Harleen. Like, it's just that, but in a little card form. So on one of my shelves, I have the book, and then right next to it, sleeved up in case, is that. We got 200 out of 90 or 999 on the What If gold foil going out to Randy. Some books. I have some real cool books where you send them, or I can pick them when you're in Vegas. Oh, either way, some really cool Harley. Wait, that I could just have? Everybody's so generous in the room. I'm not used to such kindness. Instagram name is Card Armor. Here, let me follow you right now. It'll be the pop account. All right, I'll just, yeah. There. I clicked on the wrong button. This time I got the What If variant of the Medusa. On the base we got Rogue. She do be flying. And in the middle we got Blade hitting the sickest dab in front of a vampire on the gold. Oh shoot, really? What was it? Blez just happened to be in Vegas, or you found Blez because we're based in Vegas? 554 out of 1999 in the gold for Nas, with Blade hitting the sick dab. Oh, that's just such a cool one. Ultimate Spider-Man. In the base gold for Nas. Love that one. It's so cool. Adam Warlock in the base. And Daredevil versus Bullseye on the beautiful Battle Spectrum. Very, very, very cool. Man, the room always gets so quiet when the AC turns off. Here we go. Electra on the What If cover. We got Thor making a reappearance, making a name for himself, but not here. That's Gambit's job. And, ooh, Drax the Destroyer on the Epic Purple, going to Christina with the lovely green and purple. That's complimentary, right? I used to remember all of this when I was doing graphic design. I completely forgot the names for all of them. There's complimentary, tertiary. One more that I'm forgetting. And the Epic Purple, these things are low numbered. 60 out of 199 on the Epic Purple of Drax the Destroyer. Green and purple look real good. Very, very, very cool. I love the purple. Really, really love the purple. Oh, Jesus. All sports. I just realized every spot you got is like one of those ones that's super hard to hit, but if you hit it, it's a banger. We got Black Cat on the What If. Havoc on the base. And a gold What If of Gamora. I'm rooting for you, man. It just takes one of them. It just takes one. Oh, I don't really like the fur coming off of her calf there. Just catching up on some sleeving real quick before we move on. We do everything in the pop room to take as much care of your guys' cards as possible. Multiple men on the What If cover. Base of the Goblin Queen. That also reminds me, I need to catch up on X-Men 97. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Christina. Two Epic Purples out of the same box? And one of them's freaking Mystique? Wow. 85 out of 199 on the Mystique. Yeah, this is a wonderful one, Christina. I'm glad you're here to see it. Yeah, that's so cool. We love Mystique here on the Pop channel. Two Epic Purples out of the same box is crazy. Very cool indeed. You get a spot for Pop Century. Love the boxing cards that come out of there. Like I said, those 2 boxes is all that we have of Pop Century. We have those 2 boxes, and that is it. The rest of the boxes are just gone. I think Backer sold all the rest of the boxes that we had of Pop Century. Got a gold What If on the front here for Randy of Legion. Love that Captain Marvel on the base there for Counselor. Love that Captain Marvel. And in the middle, holy cow, that is my first time seeing that canvas. I have not seen this canvas before. I've seen a bunch of the other ones multiple times. This is the first time I've seen this canvas. That is cool. AI interview? Oh. Yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, geez. High number on, yeah. That's just sick. So cool. No, I even had friends talking to me about that because they were like, dude, isn't that like the Jared from your work? I was like, yep. $387 out of $14.99 on the What If gold foil of Legion. Going to Randy. My goodness, love that Cyclops. I think that's a high series. I'll have to check. In the back, Kraven. Is the Kraven movie still coming out from Sony? They still actually trying to do that? And there's Elektra on the gold base foil going out to Nas. So that Cyclops is actually level 4. I thought it was level 5. Alrighty, we got a What If of Frankenstein's monster on the What If for Edram. In the back, Star-Lord in the base for Council Lure. And another hollow foil for Waylon. Oh, Jesus. That is crazy. Black Panther on the holofoil, another one that I just have not seen yet. That is a very, very cool one. Super, super cool. Alright, last one of the box, y'all. Best of luck. We got Iron Fist in the base What If. Ghost Rider. That's crazy. I cannot believe that's level 3. And Nova on the gold foil in the base going out to Nas. We got 1839 out of 1999 on the gold. All Sports. Sick made. Apologize that we weren't able to summon the cards that were in your guys' spots. We do have plenty of this to go. I wish you guys the best. What's like interesting is I've been learning honestly I agree with Brown Dog in saying that the base gold or the base gold and what if golds are probably the best spots in this, just because of there's so much different art that's in this set. And then if you hit the level 5s, like I said, the level 5s aren't cheap online. They are not cheap. I didn't mean to do a double negative there. Let's get ready for a recap, y'all. We're going to start with our golds and our what if golds. I'm just doing one more check to make sure I didn't skip over a level 5 if we did come across one. Okay. I appreciate it, Sick Maid. I'll definitely check it out tonight. All right, starting with our gold base foils going out to Nas. We got Nova. I gotta go a little bit further. Elektra. Love that Ultimate Spider-Man. It's so cool. Blade hitting the nastiest dab. Magic. Doctor Strange. Love the Daredevil there. And Star-Lord. We have our What If gold foils. These are going to Randy with Cyclops, Legion, Gamora, Namor, Santana, and Angel. Oh, one more. Skibbity Beast. How could I forget? Close things out. We've got Daredevil versus Bullseye on the Battle Spectrums. Battle Spectrums are also going out to Nas, as well as the Fing Fang Foom versus Iron Man. We've got two canvases, one of Thor posing as Fabio, and I really like this Daredevil canvas. I think it's so cool. The yellow just really pops. Him in the center red. It's such a cool one. We've got two epic purples. Both came out of the same box. Love the epic purples. These are numbered to 199. Very difficult to hit. And then we've got three holo foils for Wayland with this Black Panther is just nasty, dude. That's incredible. Love the foil on the eyes there too. Iron Man, and then the pixelated one with Thor. These are numbered to 99. Just very sick. I'm such a big fan of this stuff's great. This stuff's just great. Thank you guys all so much for the break. That was 2024 SkyBox Marvel Masterpieces XL 2-box. Random parallel number 16.